Something's happening. We can't stay here. Dad. They're back.
Cities across the eastern seaboard are coming under attack. The CDC is warning to stay in your homes and avoid contact with these creatures at all costs.
I'm sure this is all gonna be over soon. I promise.
Entire regions of the country are being wiped off the map.
It's like we're back in the Dark Ages.
People are surviving.
We can't trust anyone now.
No noise.
Listen. Listen.
Hey guys, here's today's Daily Fact. Now that eerie sound of Regan's head spinning around in The Exorcist came from a rather surprising source. Now according to director William Friedkin's autobiography, the sound is actually the sound created by twisting a leather wallet in front of a microphone. Now remember to click here below to subscribe or over here for more great content.